everybody, welcome to my channel. I'm Darcia, and if you're not new, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a mini hair vlog. I got these bundles, 22-inch body wave bundles from Arabella Hair, if I'm saying this correctly. Shout out to them for sending me these super cute bundles. I don't know if you guys remember, but I did get a pony done during a vlog. I didn't vlog it because my camera broke, but I did get a pony done. I did use their hair as well. You can easily straighten the hair. I'm just gonna jump right into the video. It's very self-explanatory. I'm getting this half up, half down hairstyle done. This is something I haven't done before, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and let's just jump right into it. Hey guys, welcome to another hair vlog. I've done this once or twice before. Shout out to Arabella for sending me these bundles. I actually used 2 out of 4 bundles to get this done, and I loved it. They were great. I still have them, but I didn't have time to like wash them, so I'm taking out 2 more bundles out. So if you guys get the 4-pack bundle deal, you know that you can get a lot of your money's worth and you can get your hair done multiple times with the hair. I go to this lovely lady right here. I just parked my car. I'm like, hey, I'm here, and she's like, okay, and she just pops out of her car, and I almost had a heart attack. So shout out to my girl Cam. She is so good. Let's just go. Let's go.
Yeah.
Work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. See me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk a line, 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 line. In the cafe, man, dirt, 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 dirt. Try me a dessert. Nothing to be lurking.
Yeah.
You make a like, now you don't like it. You know I dealt with you the nicest. Nobody touched me in the right. Nobody text me in a crisis. I believe that all of your dreams are duration. You took my heart, all my keys, and my patience. You took my heart, I'ma see for decoration. You mistaken with love, I brought for you for foundation. All that I wanted from you was to give me something that I never had, something that you never seen, something that you never been. But I wake up and nothing's wrong. Just get ready for work, 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 work. To me, I be work, 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 work. You see me do me dirt, 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 dirt. So me by that work, 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 work. Da, 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 da. When you walk out, da, 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 da. Before the table turn, 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 turn. Beg you something, please. Baby, don't you leave. Don't leave me stuck here in the streets. If I got another chance to, I would never, no, never neglect you. I mean, who am I to hold your best against you? I just hope that it gets to you. I hope that you see this too. I hope that you see this true. What can I say? Please recognize I'm trying, baby. I feel why. You see me, I feel why. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that why. When you walk out, la 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 la. I'm in the car from my ta.
Yeah, okay. You need to get done, and work come over. We just need to slow the motion. Don't get out of the way to no one. Long distance, I need you. When I see potential, I just gotta see it through. If you had a twin, I would still choose you. I don't wanna rush into it if it's too soon, but I know you need to get done, if you come on. Yeah. Sorry if I'm way less friendly. I got niggas tryna end me. Oh, yeah. I spilled all my emotions tonight. I'm sorry. Rolling, 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 rolling. How many more shots until you're rolling? We just need a face to face. You can pick the time and the place. You will spend some time away. Now you need to forward and give me all the work, 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 work.
You see me, I feel work, 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 work. You see me do my da 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 da. So me by that work, 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 work. When you walk out, la 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 la. I'm in the car from my church. Work, 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 work.
Alright guys, so it's the next day of when I got my hair done. I'm about to leave the house, so I figured I'd curl my hair on camera while giving you guys an update on the hair. Honestly, I slept with a bonnet last night, those like long hair bonnets. The hairstyle was quite comfortable. I don't feel like my hair is super heavy. What the hairstylist did tell me is that she likes how thin the wefts were. They weren't too thick. She was able to stack the tracks and put her needle through easily, which is something that most hairstylists are looking for, without the hair being too thin. So far so good. The hair does keep curls pretty well. I did not put any hairspray in it yet, and I don't plan to because I don't think I need it. Once the curls do drop, it actually just gives this really pretty wave. I'm not going to bore you guys and show you guys how I curl my hair. I'm always curling my hair, so I'll show you guys how bouncy one curl is, and then I'll see you guys when I am done curling my hair. All right, so here is how bouncy one curl looks. I prefer using body wave hair when I want a curly style. If I want a slick straight style, I do feel like that would be a lot easier to keep your hair straight, but if you want something that's going to keep your curls, body wave is the way to go. All right guys, so here's the finished look, fully curled, super cute and easy. I really like this hairstyle. Obviously this is something I could have done myself, but it's so much better and a lot more snatched when someone else does it, hence why I haven't done a hair tutorial in a long time, because I just think it's so much prettier when someone else sees the back of your head. They know, you know, what to do. So that is it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this mini hair vlog. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.